guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the coupon insert preview for Sunday. So Sunday, March 1st, we're going to be getting 4 inserts, 2 RetailMeNot and 2 Smart Source. So tons of great coupons. We're getting a lot of makeup coupons as well. So excuse me. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I do post videos almost every single day of different stores, different ads, where you guys can get some really great savings for you and your family. So make sure, a couple tips for coupons and insert previews. Every region is different. Not every region is going to get all of these coupons in the insert. For example, my region in Florida, we don't get a lot of the hair care coupons like L'Oreal Elvive, things like that. We don't get those coupons. So sometimes they'll be printable on coupons.com. Otherwise, you guys can purchase the inserts that have them, or you can purchase individually cut coupons online. I use the couponmarketplace.com. It's the cheapest one I found, and they're located in Florida as well, so I get my coupons in like 2 days, which is awesome. So those are two websites I have linked in the description box I would recommend. I do purchase from them myself. They're usually pretty quick. Never had any errors or issues with the coupons I order versus what they wind up sending me. So do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Anyone who could use some help with saving or needs to get their budgets kind of in check and save some money on some various items that we buy every single day. So let's go ahead and dive into the insert preview. First one we're going to go over is the first RetailMeNot. We're going to be getting Advil 80 count or larger, $2 off. Angel Soft, we're getting a $1 off coupon. And on the Fresh Scent Pack, we're getting a $1 off as well. Axe Dry Spray, we're getting a $2 off any one coupon. Barilla Pasta, we're getting a $1 off any. I do love the tortellini, so that would be a good deal to do. Centrum Gummies, we're getting some different coupons. $4 off any one 50 count or larger, and $2 off any of the multivitamin gummies. Degree, we have some good coupons here. Men and women dry spray, $2 off any one. Dove, we have some coupons. $2 off any one for Dove dry spray and Dove men's dry spray. Fetch Rewards, there are bonus points for Degree and Dove, so make sure if you're using these coupons, buying these products, that you sign up on Fetch Rewards and submit those receipts. All you have to do if you're new to Fetch is just take photos of the receipt, and then it'll give you points based on whatever items you're buying. So you can then cash in those points for gift cards. That's what I use to help pay down my out-of-pocket when I'm doing my Ibotta hauls or CVS hauls, things like that. I'm using the Fetch gift cards. Fancy Feast, we have some different cat food here. $2 off a 3-pound bag or larger, and $1 off any 12 of the single cans, the 3 ounces. Kellogg's cereal, $1 off any 2. That is a good coupon. We always get deals at CVS and Walgreens. The cereal would be on sale for $1.99. So when you buy 2, you're paying just $1.49 for cereal, which is awesome. Love Beauty and Planet, very excited about this coupon. Buy one, get one free. So it is up to a $9.49 value. On Fetch Rewards, this is a current bonus item. My account shows 750 points. It does expire soon. So whenever you guys buy anything anywhere, just scan your receipt to Fetch. You never know. The bonuses change every couple days. They'll add some new bonuses and things like that, and you wouldn't want to miss out on free money. Nexium, we have some good high value coupons here. $5 off any 42 count. Purdue, $1 off any of the Harvest Land products. We're getting some good Purex coupons. $1 off any of the In-Wash Scent Booster and $1 off the Purex laundry detergent. So we'll have to check out the ad previews for CVS and Walgreens. A lot of times when we get these coupons, they'll be on sale for $1.99, and then after the coupon, of course, you're paying just 99 cents. So we'll have to check that out and see if we have those deals going on. Right Guard, $2 off any one. Senecot, never heard of that. $4 off any one. If you need the Balanced Digestive Support, $8 off. That's a high value coupon. Sherwin-Williams store coupons, various. And Suave Professionals. I do actually have a Suave hair care CRT from CVS that I've been waiting to use, waiting for some coupons and some deals. So we do have $1 off any one, which is awesome. And then Thermacare, we have a $3 coupon. So usually when we get this coupon, we have some Thermacare deals, and we'll usually get a Saving Star rebate sometimes. So we'll have to check that on Sunday and see what we have available. Okay, so now it's time for the second RetailMeNot, and it says it's the beauty book. So we're going to have a lot of deals on beauty items. We're going to have, makeup and hair care, things like that. So Boost, we have a 4 off of 2 coupon coming back, which is great. Garnier Fructis, $3 off any 2, $4 off any 2 for the Color Revive or Root Touch-Up, $2 off any one of the Color Reviver again, and then $3 off any one Garnier Alia hair color product. We usually get deals at CVS for the Garnier Skin Active. They've been on repeat the last couple weeks in ads, where if you buy 2, you get a $5 extra back. So these coupons, fingers crossed that deal repeats again next week so we can use these coupons, especially if you have a skincare CRT or something like that. That can make for a really great deal. We're getting the 4 off of any 2 Garnier Whole Blends coupon again, which is awesome. They're usually on sale, 2 for $8 or 2 for $7, so that is a 50% discount right there. Some L'Oreal coupons. We have some Age Perfect Cosmetics. Excuse me. $2 off any one. We have some hair color products, $1 off any one. L'Oreal Paris Cell Renewal, Hydra Nutrition, or Rosy Tone product, $4 off any one, which is awesome. L'Oreal Cosmetic Face is $2 off any one. Another $4 off any 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive. I know my region usually doesn't get this one. The Garnier Whole Blends, we usually don't get that one either, so fingers crossed that maybe there'll be some printables. I will be ordering some online as well. Root Precision Touch-Up, $2 off any one. L'Oreal Paris Skincare, $2 off. And then $2.50 off any one L'Oreal Paris Skincare. So CVS has been doing spend 30, get a $10 extra buck for the last, I swear, like 4 or 5 weeks. We've been stocking up on so much amazing L'Oreal Paris products. So usually the coupon is $2 off. We're getting a $2.50 coupon. So if you're buying 3 items, we usually get 3 items to make us hit that $30 mark. That'll be an additional $1.50 in savings. Maybelline, eyeshadow, eyeliner, or brow, $1 off any one. And Maybelline New York mascara, $2 off. And some Nature's products here, $1 and $2 off. Smart Source, we have Airborne, $1 off. Allegra Allergy, I know these products are really expensive, some good coupons there. Baby Ruth single bar, buy one, get one free. It is only up to $1.39, so I'd recommend using that product at like a Walmart or Winn-Dixie, something like that. Usually at CVS and Walgreens, they're more expensive than $1.39, so you would have to pay the difference, which would make it not really a buy one, get one free. Some more candy here with Easter around the corner. Definitely a good time to stock up. $1 off any one of the Butterfinger or Crunch Bar, fun size or mini bags. Biore, we have the cleanser and pore strip. $2 off any one and $1 off any one. And we're getting some amazing Clorox product coupons, which is awesome. I know so many people prefer Clorox over Lysol. So we're getting $1 off any 2 of the disinfecting wipes. $1 off any 2 of the laundry products, so the different bleaches and things like that. $1 off any 2 for the Scentiva products. I know Clorox has a Scentiva, it's like a Swiffer mop wet jet thing, and they do have a Scentiva on that as well. So if that is something you guys are looking for, some great coupons here. And then the spray or the bathroom products, $1 off any 2. Colgate, we're only getting a 50-cent coupon. It's pretty low value. On Colgate.com, you can print off a $1 coupon for the Colgate Optic White and a 75-cent coupon for the Colgate Max or Colgate Total. So if you're doing any deals this week at CVS or Walgreens with Colgate, it would definitely be better to print those coupons, and they're completely free anyways. CoverGirl, some more coupons here. $3 off any one CoverGirl eye product, $3 off a face product, and $2 off any CoverGirl lip product. Curel, we have some coupons, $3 off any Therapy Wet Skin Moisturizer, or $1.50 off any Curel Moisturizer. We have some Depends coupons as well. 5 off of 2 is a good coupon there. And we're getting back Jergens coupons. I love Jergens. That one is my favorite lotion. $3 off any one Jergens body wash. So maybe that's a new product. Drop a comment. Let me know if you've ever used it or seen it. I've never even seen a Jergens body wash. So fingers crossed we get a good deal so I can give that a shot. I like to try some different new products and things like that with couponing, because you never want to pay full price, especially for a new product that you don't know if you like, because then if you don't like it, well, now you just spend, X amount of money on the product, which is always a bummer. So let's see, John Frieda, if you guys want any John Frieda products, $3 off any or $3 off any 2. Johnson's products, $2 off. It says any Johnson's products, which is awesome. So it's not going to be excluding anything, just the travel and trial and gift. Most coupons exclude travel and trial anyways. And then $1 off any Johnson's products. So we'll have to read the descriptions on these and kind of see what the difference is. The only difference I see is just the expiration date. So we'll have to see. Mega Red product, $2 off. Move Free Advanced, $3 off any one. $5 off any Move Free Ultra. Nariva, $5 off any one. We have some one-a-day vitamin deals here, $3 off any one, and $5 off any, or $7, I'm sorry, $7 off any 2. Pine Sol, $1 off any 2. Poise Active Collection, $3 off. On Ibotta, there has been rebates to get back $2, and at Walmart they're $4.84, so it makes it like a 16-cent moneymaker. So this is a great coupon. Make sure you guys keep that one. Poise products, $5 off any 2. Sally Hansen nail color, I haven't seen one of these coupons in a little while, $1 off any 1. And then Tina Maximum Ultimate or Overnight Pads, $4 off any 1. $2 off any Tina Moderate pads, and $1 off any Laughing Cow cheese wedges. I do love these. There's a certain one, it's like garlic something that I buy. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm definitely going to be buying some of that. Unisom, $2 off any 1. We have Yoplait, $1 off any 10. Yoplait is usually like 50 cents or 52 cents or something like that each at Walmart. So if you've been following my Walmart Ibotta hauls, we've been just stocking up on so much yogurt. There's been a ton of great Ibotta rebates for yogurt, Chobani, Yoplait, things like that. Oikos, I believe, was on there too. I think I did that one last week. So I believe these are about 50 cents. So if you buy 10 of them, it would be $5. $1 off, not a bad deal. Okay, on to Smart Source number 2. Cetaphil, we have a $2 off any product, $4 off any Claritin. We have some good coupons here for allergies. $10 off any non-drowsy or Claritin Children's 50 count or larger. I don't know how much this product is, but seeing as the coupon's $10, I'm assuming it's pretty expensive. And $10 is a really high value coupon, so that's awesome. Duracell Optimum, if you need to stock up on any batteries, we're getting a nice $1 off 1 coupon. Ensure multi-packs. I know a lot of people drink Ensure and rely on Ensure. We're getting a 5 off of any 2 coupon in the Sunday's insert, and it doesn't expire until April 12th. So that's a pretty long expiration date, almost a month and a half. Fantastic all-purpose cleaners, $1.25 off any 2. We're getting another freebie I'm definitely going to try to do this the second I get this coupon on Sunday, because last time we had this freebie, I could not find the product. All the shelves were always wiped out at Walmart. I went to a couple different Walmarts and they were absolutely gone. So the reason why I get it at Walmart is because I believe they're like $1.96 or something like that. So with this being up to a $2 value, it does make it absolutely free. Again, if you're buying it at CVS or Walgreens or a drugstore like that, it's going to be more expensive. And it's only going to take off $2. I believe those are usually like $2.49. So now instead of it being a free product, you have to pay 49 cents. $1 off any 2 Glade products. I did see some printables on coupons.com the other day that there are some Glade coupons for like 3-wick candles and things like that. So make sure you check out coupons.com. It's a free website. You don't have to sign up, nothing like that. You can just get those coupons printed. Miralax, $5 off any, which is awesome. Ragu pasta sauce, 60 cents off any 2. And we have been getting some good Ibotta rebates for pasta sauces. A lot of accounts have been getting an additional like 25 cents off any pasta sauce. So that would be some really good savings. Russell Stover's, $1 off any 4 ounce box or larger, and buy 4 get 1 free on the Russell Stover eggs. I'm excited about that. Obviously Easter's right around the corner, so if you guys want to start thinking about some candy deals and stocking up on those, we're getting some pretty good coupons to help you do that. Scrubbing Bubbles bath cleaning products, $1.50 off any 2. Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel, there is a printable coupon on coupons.com as well, and we're getting $1 off in our insert. And the toilet bowl cleaner, 50 cents. I think at Dollar General, the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet bowl cleaner is only like $2. So that would make it $1.50, especially if you want to add that in with a 5 off 25. That would be a really good deal. Steak and Shake restaurant coupons, various. And Windex, any $2 off. So those are all of the coupons we are going to be getting in Sunday's insert. Again, remember, not every region is going to get the exact same coupons in their insert. Just depends on where you live. So make sure you check your newspapers before you buy them. If you haven't seen my Walmart Ibotta haul from this week, we got 44 items for just 32 cents per item, which is amazing. A couple freebies in there as well. So click this video here if you haven't gotten a chance to watch that. We had a super good Walgreens haul this week. We had some moneymakers, 2 different transactions. I have been told that the first transaction I did on all the stationery items, it's only giving you back 2,000 points now. When I did it on Monday, it was giving you back 2,000 points per item. So when you were doing the buy one, get one free, you would get back 4,000 points. They did shut that down. Now it's just buy one, get one free and get 2,000 points back. So just a heads up on that. If that is still a deal you're looking to do, make sure you guys are aware of that. And we did, obviously, my CVS haul this week. Some great deals going on at CVS as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do me a favor, give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys next time.